Well, it's the second day of the federal trial for three former Memphis police officers charged in Tyre Nichols' death. Right now, it's all about finding an unbiased jury, and today, the jury box seeing a lot more movement than it did yesterday. Now, no cameras are allowed in the federal courtroom, but we've got ABC 24's Pepper Baker giving us the highlights from federal court. And Pepper, are we any closer to shoring up a jury today?
Rudy, federal judge Mark Norris, did kind of pick up the pace today in trying to find the right people to fill those jury seats. And it was more like musical chairs, if you will, inside the jury box today. Right before lunch recessed, it was 11 jurors that he dismissed. After lunch, that number now, with 30 minutes to go still, is up to 20. Now, court was more punctual today. Those three former Memphis police officers, Tadarius Bean, Justin Smith, and Demetrius Haley, they showed up closer to that 9:30 start time. Judge Norris didn't actually get things going until about 10 a.m. and then Tyre Nichols' parents arrived about 20 minutes later. They did come out and they did not want to speak to us today, though. But today's group of 16 seated in the jury box started out with 9 jurors from the first day and then 7 newcomers. Now, Norris dismissed 11 before lunch and then 9 more after lunch. And there was a lot more sidebar discussions as well, many of those stemming from jurors' prior knowledge of the case through the media. Now, after lunch, Norris called each newcomer to sidebar one by one instead of questioning them out loud for the entire court to hear, which definitely took a lot more time. Now, the defense and the prosecution have a set number of strikes they can use to rule out some of those jurors. So between yesterday and today, in total, there have been 28 jurors that have been dismissed. And only 5 of them started at the beginning, the initial group of 16. Only 5 of them remain in that jury box today. Rudy?
All right, Pepper, great to know all that. You already mentioned Judge Norris is presiding over this trial. What is his experience, and from what you can tell, how is he handling this jury selection process?
That's right, Rudy. Judge Mark Norris, he has a dense political background. First off, he's had a private practice in Memphis. He had it for over 40 years. And then he served as Shelby County Commissioner, and then he was a state senator. And this was all before he was appointed as a federal judge of this district by former President Donald Trump in 2018. Now, our political analyst, Otis Sanford, described him as being fair, very thorough. And I have to echo that. He's been very thorough in the vetting process, especially with his questionings about being impartial and unbiased. So far, I would say he's doing a pretty thorough job. Rudy, I'm live downtown.
All right, our Pepper Baker, thanks a lot.